Good morning, students. Let us see solution for previous class homework. First question is simplify minus 2ab into 4ab square into 6ab square. The solution is first you have to separate the constants. Here what are the constants? Minus 2 into 4 into 6. Next separate the variables. A into A into A. Next b into b square into b square. First multiply the sign. Here minus into plus, minus. Again minus into minus, minus. 4 2s are 8, 8 6 are 48. Here base are equal, so you have to add the powers. So a power 1 plus 1 plus 1. Next b power 1 plus 2 plus 2, which is equal to minus 48, a power 3, b power 5. This is the answer. Next question is simplify minus a square b cube into minus a square b cube into minus a square b cube. The solution, first you have to separate the powers. Here what is the coefficient? That is minus 1. Here is also minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 is multiplied with a square into a square into a square. Again multiplied with b power 3 into b power 3 into b power 3. First multiply the sign. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus. Here base are equal, in between multiple sign. Then we have to add the powers. So a power 2 plus 2 plus 2 into b power 3 plus 3 plus 3. That is minus a power 6 b power 9. That is the answer. Today we are going to study a new rule. Power law. That is a power m, which is equal to a into up to m times. The same way a power n is equal to a into up to n times. Here a is the base, m and n are powers. For example, 2 power 3, the whole, that is 2 power 3 can be written as 3 times. That is 2 power 3 into 2 power 3 into 2 power 3. Here base are equal, in between multiple sign. We have to use the index law. 2 power 3 plus 3 plus 3, which is equal to 2 power 9. In other way, 2 power 3, the whole power 3, which is equal to, we want to multiply the powers. So 2 power 3 into 3, which is equal to 2 power 9. In general, a power m, the whole power n, which is equal to a power m n. Here m and n are integers. That is a power m, the whole power n. Here what is the meaning? A power n can be written as n times. So power you have to add at n times. So a power m into n. A power m, the whole power n, which is equal to a power m n. Is that clear, students? Okay, students, based on this power law, let us go for a new sum. First question is simplify a power 7 the whole power 2. You have to use the power law, that is a power m the whole power n, which is equal to a power m the whole power 2, which is equal to a power 7 is the base, 2 is the power. Next a power 7 into 2, which is equal to a power 7 2s are 14. This is the answer. Next question is 2x square the whole power 2. That is, how to use the index power law. A power m the whole power n, which is equal to a power m into n. Here what is the question? 2x square the whole power 2. Here separate the elements. That is 2 power 2 into x square the whole power 2. What is the meaning of 2 power 2? That is 2 into 2 into x power, multiply the powers, 2 into 2. Here 2 2s are 4, x power 2 into 2, 4. This is the answer. Next question is minus 3 a power 5 the whole power 2. How to use the power law? A power m the whole power n, that is a power mn. Here what is the question? Minus 3 a power 5 the whole power 2, which is equal to, you want to separate the powers. Minus 3 the whole power 2 into a power 5 the whole power 2, which is equal to minus 3 the whole square means minus 3 into minus 3. Here a power 5 into 2. First multiply the sign. Minus into minus plus. 3 3s are 9. A power 5 2s are 10. This is the answer. Are you able to follow me, students? Next question. X y square the whole power 3. Use the power law. A power m the whole power n, which is equal to a power m into n. Here the question is x y square the whole power 3, which is equal to, separate the elements, x the whole power 3 into y square the whole power 3, which is equal to x power 1 into 3 multiplied with y power 2 into 3, which is equal to x power 1 into 3, 3, y power 2 3s are 6. Is that clear, students? This is the answer. Next question is a square b square c power 3 the whole power 5. You have to use the power law. A power m the whole power n, which is equal to a power m into n. The question is a square b square c power 3 the whole power 5, which is equal to a square the whole power 5 into b square the whole power 5 into c power 3 the whole power 5, which is equal to, multiply the powers, a power 2 into 5 into b power 2 into 5 again c power 3 into 5, which is equal to 2 5s are 10, b power 10, c power 3 5s are 15. This is the answer. Next question is minus 4 p cube power 3 the whole power 2. Use the power law. A power m the whole power n, which is equal to a power m into n. Here question is minus 4 p cube power 3 the whole power 2, which is equal to minus 4 the whole power 2 into p power square into q power 3 the whole power 2. What's the meaning of 4 power minus 4 the whole square? That is minus 4 into minus 4. Here p power 1 into 2, q power 3 into 2, which is equal to minus into minus plus. 4 4s are 16. P power 1 into 2, 2. Q power 3 into 2, 6. This is answer for this sum. Students, please note on the homework sums. Thank you.